Welcome to Marvel Plush. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for upcoming amazing video. For the Hammer of God as a super police car. Deadpool as a super police car. Aquaman as a super police car. Venom as a super police car. Iron Man as a super police car. Nice groot as a super police car. Ant-Man as a super police car. The Flash as a super police car. Black Panther as a super police car. Scarlet Witch as a super police car. Spiderman as a super police car. Captain America as a super police car. Wolverine as a super police car. Superman as a super police car. Thanos as a super police car. Batman as a super police car. The Hulk as a super police car. Captain Marvel as a super police car. The Falcon Marvel as a super police car. Wonder Woman as a super police car. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye.